Well, I've got the computer packed up and a lot of things packed up over at the house in anticipation of someday moving. So I can't do intros and editing and all that stuff, but I thought I'd just show you what we're doing today. I'm working on the wood framing around the windows. What makes it a little more challenging is if you can see that window right there, that window is actually plumb. It's level, believe it or not. It's the rest of the house and the framework that's not. So you might be able to hear the table saw up there right now. Dave is cutting a tapered piece of wood so that once everything's all said and done and caulked and painted, then it'll look normal, is my hope. I've been out here putting in these lower parts down here of the framing, trimming it out. And I thought I'd also show an update to the ducting up here. So we got the wood framing around the ducting got back up, so that's ready to drywall. My brother-in-law made a really nice steel column that we bolted in, and now we got wood wrap around that for drywall, so that's cool. Electrical's right on the verge of being done. The electrician told me he's gonna get the panel in the inspection next week, so that's great. I got my networking patch panel set up over here. Jake did a great job on this for me, getting it all professionally done back here. So now I'll have 14 data lines and 8 voice lines, and we've got that all run everywhere they need to go. You can see a large portion of it, not surprisingly, is going back towards Tammy's office. What else have I done? I put in put an HDMI drop over here for the TV. So the TV will mount up here. We'll have a HDMI up here and one down below. And what else? I think that might be about all there is to talk about. I got an insulation guy I think is gonna come in here once Chen is done, the electrician, and we priced it out, and my brother was kind enough to hook me up with a guy that he works with, so I got contractor pricing on getting insulation installed. So wheels are starting to turn over here. Anyway, there's a little update for you. I guess we'll call this another episode, but not the next episode.